Hey guys, welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to be covering this Seashell Chandelier. I'm actually going to put it in my front entryway. My wife and I decided that the old one that we had right here was not quite what we were looking for. So we wanted to get something a little bit more elegant and bright. So with the 5 different light bulbs on this guy and all the shells, I think it's going to look outstanding. So this is a 24-inch chandelier, so it's fairly large. It also does include chains that come down from the ceiling with the gold plate on the bottom to make it look nice. So the product comes packaged very nicely. I didn't notice any damage at all. There's no scratches or blemishes on the actual chandelier. And then I haven't noticed any broken seashells yet, or I should say the decorative shells that come with it. So I just opened up this particular one so you could see how the shells are packed in there. But definitely did a good job making sure everything was not going to break. They do give you some extra shells if you have any of them that break. So it also comes with a screw kit that has several different types of screws in it. You have your chain that goes at the top of the chandelier to hold it in place. So let's move on to the installation and I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, step 1 is turn off the power. So they give you several options with the screw kit. So if you're going into wood, obviously you can use these. These are just to go into the plastic. Here's some more serious anchors from other, if you have other material on your roof. And then these are just anchors for wood or whatever you want to use them for. These are the wire nuts that they provide. All right, so I got the bolts taken off. They just screwed out by hand and then this popped down. I'm gonna remove this and then we're gonna put the new one up. So we need to remove this plate here, which is just going to be that screw and that screw there. And then we're going to put the plate that comes with it right on top of there. So we got this on. I got the 2 bolts in there to hold this down. So that's nice and sturdy now. I went ahead and took my negative cable and connected it right there. Twisted it up. So I'll get the chandelier up here and we'll finish up the process. You got to make sure you put the cable through the center hole here and have it come out the top, and then you can connect your positive and negatives. Assembled, all the shells are on there. Remember that you will have to put this piece on there before you try to get the wires connected, and then it has a little a nut that tightens up on it as well. I'm just going to kind of put it up there and see if we have the right length going on here.
Well, obviously it's too long at that length.
Okay.
So we're gonna shorten it to the appropriate length for our entryway.
Definitely too long.
And that was with half the chain removed.